Let's learn farm animal names, the sounds they make, and we will also play fun games with them. Enjoy!
Dog.
Fantastic!
Dog.
Imagine a dog car.
Cow.
Cows can produce up to 150 glasses of milk per day. Do you love puzzles?
Way to go. Cow. Pig.
Oh no! The pig got dirty from playing in the mud. Let's give it a bath and make it clean again.
Cat.
Kitties can have so much fun with a little ball made of soft, fuzzy yarn. It's one of their favorite things to play with and chase around.
Duck.
Ducks love to splash around and paddle their little feet in the water. Do you like playing with rubber duck while taking a shower? Look at the duck all dressed up, ready to party with all its friends.
Donkey.
Donkeys make a sound called hee-haw when they want to communicate with other donkeys.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right on. Donkey. Rabbit.
Did you know that rabbits are sometimes pulled out of hats during magic shows? It's true. Rabbits love to eat carrots and other yummy vegetables, like lettuce and broccoli.
Mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are good. Mouse.
Did you know that mice are great climbers and can climb up walls and even walk upside down on ceilings?
Mouse. You are good.
Fantastic. Wow.
Chicken. Sheep.
Have you tried your hands with the guacamole game as yet? You will love it!
horse,
Horses are fast runners and can run up to 50 miles per hour.
oh, goat,
Wow, it's magical.
keep it up, goat,
You like the puzzles and the other beautiful games you saw in this video. Search for Abuzz on your tablet or look for the links in the description below.
goat, dog, cow, pig, cat, donkey, goat, mouse, rabbit, chicken, sheep, horse, duck,